We want to solve simple problems on exponential equation, making bases equal. Let's take first question, 2 raised to the power of x equal 8. Now, if you look at this, I want to find the value of the unknown, which is x. Now, what I need to do is to ensure that the bases are the same. Now, if you look at my left-hand side of the equation, this is 2. So I need to make this base to be 2 as well. So in order to achieve that, 2x will be 2 raised to the power, what will give me 8, obviously is 3. So if I strike out this, x is 3. If I want to run a check whether I'm correct, just plug in the value of x into this expression, it gives you 8. Number 2. Let's do 2 raised to x equal 1 over 8. Now in this case, we're going to do the same thing. Now, we want to make sure this base here is 2. So this will be 2 to the power of x equal 1 over 2 to the power of 3. If you remember in my previous video on laws of indices, I said if you have let's say if you have 1 over 8 to the power of x, it can be written as 8 to the power of negative x. So you can look at this, compare this and this. They are in the same form. So 2 to the power of x will be equal to 2 to negative 3. So you can strike out what they have in common. So x will be negative 3. If you plug in negative 3 into this expression, you're going to get 2 to negative 3, which is the same thing as 1 over 2 to 3. So it's equivalent to this. So that shows you're correct. So let's take another one, 8 to 8 raised to the power of x equals 32. Now I want to ensure they have the same base. Now this has the base of 8. If I make this base to be 8, then 8 raised to the power 2 will give me 64. So that won't work. So I need to find a way. So, this is 2. So I can say 2 to the power of 3. Let me see. 2 to the power of 3. And this can be, 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of 3. Then I have x. Now for this will be 2 to the power of 5. So 2 times 3, 3 times x is 3x, so I have 2 raised to the power of 3x equal 2 raised to the power of 5, because 3 raised to the power of 5 is actually 32. So I'll strike out what they have in common. So 3x equals 5, so x equals 5 over 3. So therefore, let's say we have a problem like this. Now, 8 to the power of x equals 1 over 32. I'm going to do the same thing. Now this base will be 2, 3x equal, so this will be 1 over 2 raised to the power of 5. So this one, you transform it, 1 over 2 raised to the power of 5 is the same as 2 raised to the power of negative 5. So therefore this is 2 raised to the power of 3x, 3 times x is 3x equals 2 raised to the power of negative 5. So what they have in common, you cancel out. So therefore 3x equals negative 5. So x will be negative 5 over 3. Let's take one more question. In this question we have 9 raised to the power of x plus 2 equals 64 into bracket 2x minus 1. So what we need to do in this question is to ensure that they both have the same base. This has the base of 9. Now if I do 9 raised to the power of 2 will give me 81, what I need 64. So therefore I'm not going to use 9 as a base. So I can use 3 to the power of 2 into bracket x plus 2 equal. So this is 3 to the power of 4 into bracket 2x minus 1. So I'm going to strike out what they have in common. So I have 2 times x will give me 2x, 2 times plus 2 will give me plus 4. 4 times 2x will give me 8x. 4 times minus 1 will give me minus 4. So I'm going to take like them. So 2x, this is 8x, we cross the equality, it becomes minus 8x equals, so I have negative 4 here. So negative and positive 4 crosses equality becomes negative 4. So 2x minus 8x will give me minus 6x equal minus 4 will give me minus 8. So x will be minus 8 divided by minus 6. Minus minus will be plus. So 8 divided by 6. If I reduce it, I'm going to get 3 out. So my answer is 3 out. I can leave it in decimal 1.5. This is very simple. This is how to solve problems. Thanks for watching my video. Always subscribe on my channel to get more video. God bless you and bye.